The day I realized retirement was a lie. What if I told you the American dream of retirement at 65 was never designed for you to win or me? That moment hit me hard, and it changed everything about how I live, work, and earn today. Retirement as we knew it is gone. In this video, I share why hustle no longer equals freedom and what you can do instead. Hi, I'm Holly. I'm a mom, grand and great grandmother, and now a certified mentor as well. But just a few years ago, I was drowning. I worked my whole life only to realize at 70, I couldn't even retire. The numbers didn't add up. No pension, shrinking savings, and rising costs. Ugh, it felt like the rug was pulled out from under me. I'll never forget the morning I looked at my bank account and realized, if I stop working, everything stops. That's not retirement. That's survival. Here's what I learned. False promises. Retirement plans assumed steady jobs and low inflation. We don't live in that world anymore. Invisible costs, healthcare, housing, and even groceries climb faster than paychecks or Social Security. No exit strategy. Most people never build a true system that pays them, even when they're not working. That was the day I shifted from asking, how do I retire, to how do I create freedom and live my life the way I want to? What I discovered is this: real freedom doesn't come from a pension or a paycheck. It comes from building assets that work even when you don't. For me, that looked like digital automation, high profit systems, and mentorship for you. It might look different, but the principle is the same. You need a strategy that pays you daily without trading 40 plus hours a week. Oh, and mostly more for many. Let me ask you, have you thought about what life looks like if you don't build another income stream? Do you believe the retirement system can still work in today's economy? Drop your thoughts below. I respond personally to everyone. If this hit home for you, go back and watch my last video where I share exactly why you're still stuck and how to finally start earning online. Make life simple. The link's in the description. And if you're ready to explore what's possible for you and your family, check out my site. It's where I share the exact blueprint I follow, step by step. Because retirement may be a lie, but freedom is real. And it's waiting for you. Comment ready. If you're done with broken promises and want to see the system I follow daily, and I'm also here for you. Any questions, reply back with an email and I will answer them personally.